Hey, Kyle here. Welcome to the basement. I was watching some YouTube videos and this video popped up. I am subscribed to Microtik. They are a hardware, wireless switch hardware maker. And they make some 5G, 4G stuff in the cell phone range, but I saw this and thought that this was very interesting. Probably something that if you are on the road and you need wireless internet through 5G, your 5G cell phone provider, this might be something you might want to look into. I don't know anything about this product other than I saw this video. I'm not affiliated with them. I just thought that this was pretty interesting. So let's play this video off the Microtik YouTube channel and let's get into it. And I'll comment through some of the video here.
You packed up, moved to the countryside, and then found out the hard way that the internet speed there, well, doesn't quite keep up with your dreams of remote serenity? That's why we made the new ATL 5G, our first outdoor 5G device.
So you're going to have to figure out how to mount this, on your RV or to a pole, but it's a directional antenna. I think it's like 16 dB of gain, which, if you know where the cell phone tower is that you want to get internet from, you can point it, towards that that tower. There's applications called like Cell Mapper and some other places that you can find the nearest tower, and you can download offline maps and make sure that you've got, if you go to a place that doesn't have internet, how can you find out where the cell phone towers are at? So I think you can download some offline maps. So let's keep going here.
And with a twist. It has everything you need to always stay connected, whether you're in the middle of nowhere, in a countryside getaway, struggling to find any signal, or in a busy urban environment, desperately fighting hundreds of devices for that base station juice. A high-gain directional antenna, snow-resistant spaceship look, and reliable performance now with 5G. Climbing on rooftops to install an antenna is hard enough. Now imagine dropping the SIM card somewhere in the bushes. Yeah, we've all been there. With ATL 5G, you can either use a regular SIM card or, drumroll, any kind of eSIM.
So this is huge. I have Google Fi, and one of the things that Google Fi keeps dropping the ball on is sending me a data-only SIM, and they want you to go to eSIM, which is an electronic SIM. If I can generate an eSIM for this device and put it on my existing data plan and share my data, that is absolutely huge. That makes me getting internet with this device so much easier. So let's keep going here.
But we are going one step further. You know how regular eSIM plans require a pre-existing Wi-Fi connection to activate the data plan?
Yep.
This is pretty difficult for routers that don't have Wi-Fi. Well, we have a solution for that too. Introducing Microtik Connectivity, our built-in eSIM solution. No fiddling with plastic SIMs on a windy rooftop. Just turn on the device, hop onto your phone to log into your Microtik account, and choose.
So you notice it does have an Ethernet port on the back of it, and it's also powered by PoE, Power over Ethernet. So if you have an injector, you probably have to buy an injector to send power to this thing. But I bet you anything, whenever you buy this, it comes with an injector. And then you can convert that from your 12-volt battery to PoE. I'm sure that there's a way to do that.
Choose a data plan. It works in.
But it also, I think what is happening here is she is on her cell phone. She plugs in the device. The device has an 802.11 ABG wireless access point in it, or 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz access point, and then she hops on that device or on that SSID and configures the device
instantly, right out of the box. The eSIM is pre-activated, pre-configured. You won't even have to call a mobile operator or build a temporary internet connection just to activate. Fully self-sufficient setup.
I think that's what's going on.
You can use Microtik Connectivity as your main data connection, but of course,
Yeah, I don't know what. Oh, I bet you this Microtik connectivity is probably, it comes with, a certain amount of data right out of the box. So therefore you can get it online and get it working. I bet you that's it versus, it not having any internet access. And now you're dead in the water because you're trying to install this at a place that doesn't have internet access. So I bet you anything that they provide a little bit of internet access for you to get the unit
Of
up and
course,
running.
depending on the chosen plan.
Yep, there you go. You can get this data already installed. €4 for 1 gig. I'm not really sure what this is.
The data limit
I'm assuming
supply.
you can get this
It
in
might be
the
enough
United States.
if you're
I'll
one
have
of those
to check,
hardcore
but,
terminal-only users.
yeah.
Or if you're using it for IoT, like knots or other devices with small data needs. Through our global roaming partner, we offer a variety of data plans which can be easily renewed, upgraded, or canceled in case you find a better deal with your local mobile operator. So no more climbing back down just to grab a spare SIM. With ATL 5G and Microtik Connectivity, you're online faster, with less drama. Now on the hardware side, we have a powerful 16 decibel antenna, gigabit
16
Ethernet
dB,
with PoE in, so you have
Ethernet.
less cables to worry about. And one of my favorite features, the 4x4 MIMO, or multiple input, multiple output
So
support.
it's a
More
good
antennas to
fast
work
wireless.
with, higher speed,
So this
and
has
better
got a
signal,
5G.
even in the deep country.
Yeah, this has got a 5G modem in it. It's got wireless, and then I also believe that it's got high
Side
band
where
and
other
low band
devices might
5G.
struggle to connect. But it can also be a real game changer closer to the city, squeezing every last bit of signal from those 5G LTE base stations. There are 4 high-gain middle band antennas and 4 low-band antennas.
Yep.
Also, Band 28 support for both LTE and 5G. We're talking 700 megahertz to 1 gigahertz. Why is that so important? Well, first of all, the 700 and 800 megahertz LTE band is one of the most popular bands used by mobile operators for LTE communication around the world. With ATL, you will always be able to find some sort of signal. Finally, the sleek enclosure. This design prevents snow and water from collecting and freezing up. So not only is it easy to store and ship, it can also handle some of the roughest weather conditions.
So the only thing that I don't like about it is the size of it. It looks pretty big. Obviously, you have to find a pole to mount this on. But if you're going to be in a place for a long period of time and you don't want to have one of my GLINet routers that I had in a previous video, this is basically everything that router can do, but instead of it being inside your trailer, it's up on the pole. But you can bring Ethernet back down into your trailer. But yeah, this thing looks great.
And it's IP66 certified. So what do you say? Are you ready for some alien technology level that keeps you connected always and everywhere?
It's interesting. This is an interesting device. I go to the Microtik website, and you can read some more about it. It's called the ATL 5G R16, and I think let's see. Let's ATL 5G price. The ATL 5G R16, $349. Now that's not bad considering the router that I just purchased was about $350. So that is right in line, and I think that you're going to get definitely better directional, dB gain from this one than I am from mine that have just the paddles. So anyway, wanted to bring that to you. I thought that this was not necessarily a game changer, but has a lot of application and a lot of promise. I'm going to take a look at this, and maybe I'm going to pick one up for whenever I don't have my GLINet router around or don't want to take it out. I think I might have a purpose for this. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.